Hi friends, welcome to the study of the Krishna river system. Now after Godavari we are going to study the next important river, which is the second largest river of the peninsular India after Godavari, and it is known as an Krishna river system. Now remember, the Krishna river is the second largest river of peninsular India after Godavari. So it is the second largest river of peninsular India after Godavari. It is the second largest river of peninsular India after Godavari. Where does it originate? Originates in Western Ghats, originates in the Western Ghats near a famous hill station, actually to the north of a famous hill station known as Mahabaleshwar. The name of hill station is Mahabaleshwar, just to the north of Mahabaleshwar. Just to the north of Mahabaleshwar. Now let us study how does the Krishna river system look like. I will draw the Krishna river system. If I try to draw a Krishna river system, it consists of, the river will somewhat have a this way look, and then after that it will go and form a combined delta along with the river Godavari. This is how the Krishna river system is. Which direction it does flow? It flows from west to east and drains into the Arabian Sea. Now let us have a look at the important tributaries of a Krishna river. The most important tributary of river Krishna is river Bhima. River Bhima is one of the most important tributary of river Krishna. River Bhima is one of the most important tributary of river Krishna. So this is Bhima river. This is a Bhima river. On a Bhima river, there is a famous dam located known as Ujjaini Dam. In the state of Maharashtra. Ujjaini Dam is located in the state of Maharashtra. The Bhima river originates from a place known as Bhima Shankar. Can I rub the top part? River Bhima originates from a Bhima Shankar region. It originates from a Bhima Shankar. This is the origin of Bhima river, from the Bhima Shankar region. Like Trimbakeshwar, Bhima Shankar is also famous for Lord Shiva's temple. Now the Bhima river has some of the important tributaries, and the important tributaries of river Bhima are, the most important tributary of river Bhima is river Mula and Mutha. River Mula and Mutha. On the river Mula and Mutha, the famous city of Pune is located. What is this? This river is river Mula Mutha. Actually, these are the two rivers, but I am not doing it so much in detail because we are studying at an all India service examination. So remember, Mula Mutha, the important city of the Pune, is located. The other important tributaries are river Sina. The other important tributary of river Bhima is river Sina. River Sina. The second important tributary of river Krishna is river Musi. Second important tributary of river Krishna is river Musi. On river Musi, you have the famous city of Hyderabad located. Of the famous city of Hyderabad located. And the last tributary, which is this tributary, is river Munneru. Munneru. So the three important, which are these tributaries? Right bank tributaries or left bank tributaries? The three important left bank tributaries are river Bhima, river Musi and river Munneru, out of which the biggest tributary of river Krishna is river Bhima. So river Bhima is what? A right bank tributary or a left bank tributary? It is an left bank tributary. On river Bhima is the Ujjaini dam located. But river Krishna also has some of the important right bank tributaries, that is the tributaries which originate on the right side, out of which the most famous tributary is river Koyna. It is the smaller tributary, but why I am saying most famous tributary? It is the Koyna river. You can see here, you know, this is when I draw for this is when I generally draw this for a dam. On the river Koyna, there is a famous dam that is known as an Koyna Dam. On this river Koyna, there is a famous dam as Koyna Dam or Shivaji Sagar Dam. Or Shivaji Sagar Reservoir. Or a Shivaji Sagar Reservoir. The Koyna Dam is the Koyna Dam or the Shivaji Sagar Reservoir. Remember, the Koyna Dam or the Shivaji Sagar Reservoir is one of the largest HEP projects in India. One of the largest hydroelectric power projects in India, produces one of the largest electricity, and therefore this region is known as lifeline of Maharashtra. This is known as a lifeline of Maharashtra. The other important tributaries of the river Krishna are Ghatprabha, Malprabha. So this is river Ghatprabha, river Malprabha, but the biggest tributary, the biggest left bank tributary is river Tungabhadra. It is similar to Chandrabhaga. River Tungabhadra is also made up of two head streams. One is river Bhadra, one is river Tunga. These two join to form one river Tungabhadra. On this Tungabhadra river, a famous dam known as Tungabhadra Reservoir is located, and then it goes and joins river Krishna. So which is this? This is river Bhadra. This is river Tunga. and this combined river is known as Tungabhadra. While on the dam on the river Tungabhadra is known as Tungabhadra Dam. A dam on the river Tungabhadra is known as in Tungabhadra Dam. A dam on river Tungabhadra is known as an Tungabhadra Dam. Tungabhadra Dam lies in the state of Karnataka. Shivaji Sagar Dam or Koyna Dam lies in the state of Maharashtra. Therefore, it is known as a lifeline of Maharashtra. Ujni Dam lies on the state of Maharashtra. While a last dam here, this dam is known as Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. It lies on the border of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It lies in the border of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So this entire river system is known as Krishna river system. So I will now get to the side so that you can enjoy the complete view of a Krishna river system. What we are doing the Krishna river system. You can see where does the river Krishna originate. I will just extend this. River Krishna originates in near the Mahabaleshwar region. In the state of Maharashtra. River Bhima, which is an important tributary, it originates in the Bhima Shankar region in the state of Maharashtra. A smaller tributary of river Bhima is known as river Mutha, on which the city of Pune is located. On the Bhima in the state of Maharashtra, there is an Ujni dam. After that, the Bhima river goes and joins river Krishna. Bhima is an important left bank tributary of river Krishna. The other important left bank tributary of river Krishna is river Musi. Why it is important? Because Hyderabad is located on river Musi. The third important tributary is river Munneru. While the important right bank tributaries are Koyna, it is a smaller river, but the Koyna river is famous for Koyna Dam or the Shivaji Sagar Reservoir, which is known as a lifeline of Maharashtra. It is famous for hydroelectric power generation. Then other smaller rivers, if you want to remember them or don't remember, these are Ghat Prabha and Malprabha. The other two rivers which are there are river Tunga and river Bhadra. River Tunga and Bhadra originate again in the Western Ghat region. I cannot show you extended part of a Western Ghat, so I am showing it here. So they originate as a two head streams of Tunga and Bhadra. These two join together form Tungabhadra river. On the Tungabhadra river, Tungabhadra Dam in the state of Karnataka is located. And lastly, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is located between the Telangana and MP on river Krishna itself. Now how to remember? River Krishna ka tributary. Krishna is associated with Mahabharata. The biggest tributary is river Bhima, associated with a character of Mahabharata. River Tungabhadra is the second other important tributary. Tunga and Bhadra form Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra, Karnataka. Remember, Tungabhadra Dam is located in the Karnataka region. Nagarjuna Sagar. Nagarjuna Sagar is understand that this Nagarjuna was a what you can say, if you remember Milinda Pano, if you remember, he was a Buddhist monk. He converted into Buddhism. He preached Buddhism. So Nagarjuna Sagar, where are the numerous Buddhist sites located? In the state of Amravati, in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The new capital of Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, is famous for Buddhist caves. Nagarjuna Sagar is, remember, Buddhist, associated with Buddhism. Nagarjuna was a saint which was associated with Buddhism. Nagarjuna Sagar, Andhra Pradesh. Remember that. Bhima Shankar, Ujjaini Dam. Koyna Dam on river Koyna. Koyna Dam is also famous for earthquake-induced earthquake in India. It is known as an lifeline of Maharashtra. Tungabhadra Dam for Karnataka in the Tungabhadra river. Tungabhadra river is made up of two smaller rivers. One is river Bhadra, one is river Tunga. Similar to river Ganga is made up of river Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Similar to Chenab is made up of Chandra and Bhaga. Here also Tungabhadra is made up of Tunga and Bhadra. They join together to form Tungabhadra river, forming Tungabhadra Dam in the Karnataka. So this is all about the Krishna river system. Where does it originate? It originates in the, let me revise again, the river Krishna originates in the Mahabaleshwar region. So you can see here, it is originating in the Mahabaleshwar region. River Bhima in the Bhima Shankar region. So these are the two important origins. Which part? These all originate in the Western Ghat region, and this is how the river Krishna looks like. So the important dams associated with river Krishna, important cities which are associated with river Krishna. Remember, important left bank tributary of river Krishna is river Bhima. Important right bank tributary is river Tungabhadra. So this is all about the Krishna river system. I will end my lecture here. Thank you very much. You can just draw this. I am keeping this on the board for some time.